mí, tú sabes que tú no tienes nada en ese...
Wait a second. Why don't I just find y'all a fourth and we settle this on the streets, huh?
Bring him on.
Anybody I want.
Tráelo.
No matter who it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You want to race tonight?
Yeah, you know I could use the money.
You got 4 minutes, man.
All right, I'll be there.
Starts in 4 minutes.
All right, girls, let's do this.
Too fast. Too furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man.
You think you're gonna win, baby?
What you think?
You better. We got rent to pay.
I know this.
You just came home from doing a bid. Dude, act a fool. Somebody broke in and cleaned out your crib. Boy, what you gonna do? Act a fool. Act a fool. Too fast. Too furious.
Mira, papi, tú. I'll get you when you get a card worth racing. ¿Está bien?
There's our fourth right there.
Shit. It's Brian.
What's up, Tej?
What's happening, dude?
Thanks for the invite.
No problem at all, man. Just remember me when you wax, all right?
They got deep pockets?
Real deep.
What's up, Suki?
Here we go.
Still fight like shit. You still fight like shit. Oh. You better chill. What the hell are you doing here? I'm gonna choke you. I told you to stay away from me. You should have told me. I did 3 years, Brian. I told you it wasn't my fault. Smart ass.
Fueron ahí y se fueron para atrás.
¿Dónde se fueron?
Alien infidel. ¿Qué pasa, Jota? Hey, man, I clean your windshield for you. What are you doing, man? Uno, tres, cuatro, cinco, taco. Everything overstanding, homie. Me gusta chocha.
Kiss my ass, putos. Shit.
Go, let's go, let's go.
Hold up on you, Marty.
Enjoying the ride? Man, it's a fast car, huh? Man, it's a classic, old school, American muscle. Man, this car can do all kind of things, man. Want to see? Check this out right here, homie.
So what you doing, man?
Money go! Ejectocito, cuz!
toes, Pluto. Mr. O'Connor, it worked, baby. Blowing.